You compressed a file and saved it into a database in Lesson 12.7. In this lesson, you will write code to decompress and display the file. To begin, open the .NET Expert project from your Sample Files folder. And view files.aspx in your web browser. Mailmodule.xml is the compressed file that you uploaded in the previous lesson. Attempt to view mailmodule.xml now by clicking View File next to mailmodule.xml. When prompted, click Open. Your web browser will be unable to display the XML file. You may see an error message, or the page may appear blank. You will need to decompress the file before it will be readable. Close your web browser now. Now open the code behind file of files.aspx if it isn't open already. You will need to add some code to the grid view uploaded file row command event handler that will decompress any compressed files. Change the line response.binaryWrite file bytes to if not file to display uploaded file compressed response.binaryWrite file bytes else. Now add the following code inside the new else statement. gzip stream decompressor equals new gzip stream new memory stream file bytes compression mode .decompress. This gzip stream object will be used to decompress the data. Now add the following code on the next line. Memory stream decompressed stream equals new memory stream byte decompression buffer equals new byte 4096. This code creates a new memory stream object that will store the decompressed data. The decompression buffer byte array will be used to read the file in chunks of 4096 bytes. It is necessary to do this because you cannot predict how large the file will be once it has been decompressed. Add the following code on the next line. Int byte counter equals decompressor dot read decompression buffer 0 4096. This code reads the first chunk of decompressed data into the decompression buffer array. The actual number of bytes that were returned is placed in the byte counter variable. Now add the following code on the next line. While byte counter is greater than 0, decompressed stream .write decompression buffer 0 byte counter equals decompressor .read decompression buffer 0 4096. This while loop iterates through all of the decompressed data in the decompressor object and writes it into the decompressed stream object. Finally, add the following code after the end of the while loop. Response.binaryWrite decompressed stream .toArray. This code writes the decompressed data into the web server's response. You learned about the binary write method in Lesson 12.2. Test your code now by viewing files.aspx in your web browser. When the page loads, click View File next to mailmodule.xml. Click Open when prompted, and this time the XML file is decompressed by your C# code and is readable by your web browser. Close your web browser now, and close Visual Studio. You've now completed Lesson 12.8. Decompress a file.